Hello from the Arlo Lab. Today we will be going through what to do in the event that an Arlo Secure Plan payment fails. We'll be covering both first-time purchases and existing subscriptions. Let's get started. For first-time payments, double-check that the card details entered are correct. Even one wrong digit can cause a failure. Ensure that the card number, expiration code, CVV code, and name are exactly the same as they are on the card you are using. Make sure the country of your card or PayPal account matches the country of the billing address on your account. Many payment processors block transactions when these don't match. For example, a Spanish card will not work for an account created in France. Similarly, if you are using PayPal, make sure you're logged into the correct PayPal account and that the email is verified. Next, make sure there are sufficient funds in the chosen account. Payment failures can be caused by your bank. They might have temporarily blocked the transaction for security reasons. Call the number on the back of your card or check your banking app for any alerts. If you already have payment details linked to your account and you've received a notification that payment has failed, make sure that the payment information is up to date on your account. If you recently changed your card, log into your account at my.arlo.com. Next, tap on Secure in the top left corner and tap on My Arlo account. From here, tap on Add New Payment and enter in your new card credentials. If the above doesn't work, try a different card or switch between payment methods. We also recommend trying in a different browser or device, disabling any VPN or proxy temporarily, and waiting 10-15 minutes to try again. We hope this video helped with solving payment problems. If you have any more questions, reach out to Arlo Support for more assistance. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Arlo tips and troubleshooting. See you in the next video.